How to turn off autocorrect on Amazon Fire Tablet. First of all, you're going to need to go to the settings menu. So either click the cog icon on the home page there where it says settings, or you can press and hold from the top of your Amazon Fire Tablet with your finger going down the screen, and then you'll see something like this. Press the little arrow in the middle top part there, do the same again, then click the cog on the right hand side bottom part there. That'll bring up the settings menu, either which one of those two ways here. Then you'll want to click on device options in the settings menu. Once you're in the device options menu, click keyboard and language. Then once you've clicked keyboard and language, you want to click on current keyboard settings at the bottom there. Once you're in the current keyboard settings menu, you will see two sections where it says auto correction and auto capitalization. So if you want either of those turned off, just click the orange little button on the right hand side, making sure it's turned white. Once they're white, auto correct and auto capitalization will be turned off. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.